So resveratrol is a compound that is in the family of compounds known as stilbenoids. So these are defense compounds in the plant. So when the plants are attacked by pathogens like a bacteria, a virus, they defend themselves and produce these defense compounds.
The work related to the stilbenoids started with a phenomenon that is called the French paradox, related to the fact that in some places they have a very, very high consumption of, for example, pork, ham, saturated fats. They don't have heart diseases, or they don't have other kind of diseases that are associated with this kind of diet. Instead of having sodas, as in some places, they drink wine. The fact that they drink wine seems to be that some compounds in the red wine, they are helping to remove these molecules that are harmful for the body. So resveratrol, it's a chemical that is present in the red wine. And this molecule has an extractor, a chemical extractor, that helps to remove those bad molecules from the body, help us to clean our body. The stilbenoids, they are helping to protect cells against damage by what are called the free radicals.
In addition to resveratrol, produce many other related compounds that have more health benefits than resveratrol. And we have found a way that we can produce these compounds in the laboratory using root cultures. So these are roots that have been immortalized in a way, and they can maintain this characteristic of roots and produce these defense compounds that the plants produce in their own environment in the nature.
What we do is to use a plant-based system. What we did was we took a leaf from the plant and we induced with a system that we have in the laboratory that is mediated by a microorganism. In the laboratory, we have found a system to induce these roots so they can release into the media different stilbenoids. Thinking about the large-scale production, by having a plant-based system, the plants, they won't host human pathogens. So we can have a clean solution that actually is going to contain only the chemicals that we have.
So some of these new compounds that we have found that are related to resveratrol are these arachidins. So these arachidins have some modifications in the structure of resveratrol, and these allow them for being more bioavailable in your body. That means they can be better absorbed, and they're also finding that they have new biological activities. For example, we have detected that they can bind to certain receptors in your body, and by doing that, we're thinking that we can look for compounds that may prevent obesity. They've been involved in neuroprotection, so we're looking at potential applications in the prevention of Parkinson's disease and also in cancer. So in our way, in our system, we can produce much higher levels of resveratrol, but also resveratrols that are in much better efficacy for your body. So these are better compounds than resveratrol themselves. And this may be more important when we're moving to develop this as a potential dietary supplement or as a potential new pharmaceutical drug. We were issued a patent on the production system and also some of the biological activities of these compounds. And we have started a company that will allow us also to make these compounds available to the research community, and this compound then will be further investigated by other scientists to explore new applications. I would like to see my research to be applicable directly to the public. And in order to do this, we need to transfer the technology from the academia, from the university environment to the industry. That's why we have filed for patents on this technology, and that allow us now to transfer the technology directly to the industry, and the industry then be in charge of commercializing this technology.
You can find more information on the P3 project at plantpoweredproduction.com.